Welcome everybody to Our Green Acres. I'm so glad you clicked on our video today, and if you're new to our channel, my name is Teresa. I'm going to take y'all along today and show y'all another couple of rooms in our home that I've decorated for Christmas. This is 3 of a series I've done, and this will be our kitchen and also a little gathering area that we have. So I'm going to show y'all some more decorating ideas and give y'all some inspiration on the ways that I've decorated, and at the end of the video I'll go over some things that I've made and things that I've shopped for and purchased. I hope y'all enjoy the video and hope you get lots of inspiration. If you're not already following me on my home decor Facebook page, I'd love for you to go over and join it at Our Green Acres Home Decor and DIY Inspirations. Also, go over and follow me on Instagram.
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you.
Like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, this is part 3 of a series. So I'm going to leave links to the other 2 videos at the end of this video and also in my description box. So if you want to see how I decorated our master bedroom and our family room, I will have video links to those.
The love I lived, the dream I knew. Well, I'm all for Christmas. It's a magical time full of kisses. Take a walk outside and tickle the snowman's nose. Moving nimbly, did you hear something from the chimney? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Christmas, I only wanna be close to you.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs.
Hope you're enjoying the video so far, and if you are, please hit that like button. It really helps out our channel. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, we'd love for you to.
Celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say, and I claim Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents.
Hope y'all enjoyed seeing around our gathering room and our kitchen and how I decorated it for Christmas. Here we're just having a little intermission of some, cuteness overload. This is Mater and Tater. Mater's in the front, and I guess Christmas decorating just wore them out. So I had to put this footage in. I thought they were so cute. And in my videos, if y'all watched any of them and know me, y'all know I love to teach how to decorate on a budget. You don't have to spend a lot of money to have, pretty decor in your home. A lot of my items are thrifted. They're dollar store remakes. And I just want to show you this little tree. At first I put it in my ice cream bucket that I got at a yard sale for $5, and I painted it. And I just left it naked, but I wanted to show you it didn't have a bow, and what you can accomplish when you just make a simple little bow out of some burlap and a pine cone and just stick that on there, the difference that things like this make. And this wreath, I purchased these at Walmart. I got several of them for $9.99 each. And I just tied it up. Instead of ribbon, I used a piece of drop cloth scrap. And drop cloth to me is very inexpensive, and there's a lot of fabric. So you can get a lot of bang for your buck, making ribbons and stuff out of that. Because ribbon can get expensive. My island is just a makeshift island. I got this at a thrift store for $60. It was an entertainment center, and I chalk painted it. But I just decorated it with a sign from Walmart and put some garland on it and made some bows. This is a little area off to our back door. I got Ben a couple of years ago, make me some open shelving in this area just to give us some more storage space. And of course, I decorate it with home decor versus having it for storage. But in the bottom section, I do keep some baskets, and that's where I do store, things like my coffee, extra cups and things like that. And the bread box, I want to point out, that was from Tractor Supply if you're interested in that bread box. And I just went with some white dishes and white accents, because to me, with the dark open shelving, I think it just makes it pop more. And I know a lot of people, they do not like open shelving because it can look too busy. But for our kitchen and the space it has, the open shelving was a better solution for us than cabinets. And I wanted to show you here, this was a thrift store find for $2, and I'm going to show you how I just kind of took it out one pretty fall day. I got some spray paint from Dollar General, very inexpensive, and I just unscrewed the little glass top off of it, and I spray painted it. And look how much better it looks now, paired with all my white things. And I wanted to show y'all that greenery up there. I added some twinkle lights to it. That's a very inexpensive way to add, special touches to your decor also. And twinkle lights, a lot of times are, you can get those at Dollar General. Less than $5, and a lot of times Dollar Tree will carry the little strands of twinkle lights. And I added a little bow I made with some stained flour sackcloth to my little sled. And just little touches like this, like I say, can just make a world of difference to your decor. The little Merry Christmas plate, I got that at Big Lots. I think it was $3. Here I'm going to do a quick little Dollar Tree remake. This is this is Dollar General for $2.50 last year. I'm just going to pull the embellishment off, and I'm going to fix that little twine that come off of the ring. I needed something for my attendance board, and this was a yard sale flip too. So this was a thrift store flip. I got it for $5, and there's a video on how I remade this. But I just took those little sleigh bells and added a bow to it and a little bit of greenery, and it just really changed it up and added to my attendance board. This is what we call our coffee bar. It's nothing elaborate. This is just where we store our coffee pot and our coffee cups in the mornings. And like I say, just add bows and greenery to things, and you know, you don't have to go expensive. Like I say, just always, you know, concentrate on little bows and the colors that you're going for, because I got that striped ribbon at Big Lots, and it really added, you know, the black and the beige to my kitchen. These little canisters are from Dollar General last year. They were very inexpensive, and I love Santa Cup. That's a Dollar Tree mug, and I paired it in a little dollar wood tray I got yard selling back in the fall. These are all gift bags and greeting cards that I framed, and I've told y'all this many times. You can make your own wall decor and framed art very inexpensive. And I want to show y'all a view of our wood burning stove going, and this is why we sacrifice having an eating table in this area, is all because of this. I put the little love seat in front and decided to have more of a gathering sitting area than a dining table, so we can sit in front of the wood burning stove in the mornings and drink our coffee, and in the evenings it's just a very relaxing and warm, cozy spot. So I wanted to give you this angle and just show you how, you know, when we sit on the sofa, what we get to look at, because we love looking at the fire. And, you know, like I say, it's just very relaxing and very peaceful. I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and next video coming is going to be a full home tour. And trust me, I put some more touches onto it, and I've actually got a new Christmas tree I'm going to share with y'all. So I will see y'all in the next video. If you know anyone that would enjoy this video, please share it with your friends and family. And as always, y'all, I love y'all, and I hope y'all have a great week. And God willing, I will see y'all in the next video. Thanks for watching, y'all.